Every adventure comes with different story. This time, let us explore the city that is known in the Philippines for its culture, history, religion, food, and many more. This is Marawi. Hi guys, good morning. I am ping.cjestrada. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to another day of adventure. Today is another day. So we will be going to Marawi City. So I will be with my cousins. So I'm still here sa farmhouse sa ako ang tita. For that, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Share peace and love. Let's go. Marawi is a fourth-class component city and the capital of the Lanao del Sur province. It is located upon the shores of Lake Lanao, which is also called the summer capital of the south. Before reaching the Islamic City of Marawi, we had a stop at Sagiran to try their roti. Breakfast. Chicken. Ini roti ini. As we enter Marawi, life is pretty back normal. It was a Sunday and the weather is gloomy. However, you would appreciate the climate as it is cold. We passed by May Pakpak Medical Center, which is one of the biggest and oldest hospitals in the province. This was heavily damaged from the 2017 crisis and was rebuilt, and I'm happy to see that they have reopened to serve the public. Last 2017, the Philippines have been shook by what happened to Marawi, where a battle against violent extremist groups versus the Philippine military took place, which was known as the Marawi Siege. The siege took 5 months, displacing hundreds of thousands of citizens from the area. We have visited the center of the battle, which was named as Ground Zero. I can't believe this unfortunate event happened to this place, which was used to be vibrant and the very center of Marawi. Years later, you can still see some buildings, houses that were abandoned. You can still see the holes from the bullets and explosions. However, there is hope, as people have been slowly going back to their places, trying to rebuild their lives. Marawi Convention Center. Mauna siya ang Lake Lanao, guys. Mauna siya ang source adto sa Tinago Falls. Hey guys, we are here near the Lake Lanao. This is the Lake Lanao. It's the lake. Dako na siya nga lake diri sa sa Marawi. And this one mas dool siya and mas klaro ang view. So let's go. og maniud to sa ta dirita sa Marawi restaurant. Our next stop is one of the biggest universities in the province, MSU Marawi. We were allowed to enter the campus even if we are not an alumni. The campus is very wide, relaxing, and offers a different vibe within the city. There is also a community area inside the campus. And then, there is a wide ground for picnic and chilling. Lamias book now dali ay. Si Manang Randa. We're here at MSU Marawi. Lakas naka-fresh ang kamera. This trip apparently has become a food trip. Our next stop is at Marawi's Bose Coffee. I was impressed that it is so big and offers a beautiful view of the city. We're here at Bose Coffee here at Marawi. I think it's the second largest Bose Coffee in the Philippines. So it has 2 floors. No? Their bar is at the first floor, and then we're here at the second floor. And this is the view currently right now. It's just located at the like beside their integrated terminal. And guess what? Their terminal didn't have like bus or like VRs. Instead, they have the Avanza. Grabe. There is a Marawi. It's a very nice city, and I think it's has a lot of good culture here and good food. We have also made a quick stop at Marawi's Delicacies, Browas, and Doodle for pasalubong before going home. Although it has been a quick trip to the Islamic City of Marawi, I appreciate how our Muslim brothers and sisters are doing their best to recover from the horror they have experienced in the past years. I am happy that they are recovering and have seen constructions of establishments almost everywhere. I'm looking forward for a brighter future of Marawi. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next vlog. Share peace and love.